Whose idea was it to go to school today? Where is my class today? I'll be like, it's late. I think I have like 30 minutes left in that class. I don't know, I'm not sure. Another class at the same time, so the two classes are clashing. Yeah, try to learn some shit today. Hey, great start for the first day.
So what if people keep on blaming me?
Here.
So what if things aren't what they used to be? So what if I take it back 'cause I had it first? So what if I hurt you so bad that your heart had burst? No, don't give up.
Explain. Explain. Alright, sounds good. Alright, so you can also find. I mean, we understand what we mean by purchase of the very.
As exciting of a class that was, I think I was there for like 30 minutes and then I'm now off to my other class, which is another 3 hours, and then I will be, what's the word? I'm gonna go to the other class for another.
So what if I take it back 'cause I had it first? So what if I hurt?
Different ideas, different ways of characteristics, you know, determining mistaking, having a passion in each drive, the dark side, you know, groups of
Just so bad that your heart had burst. No, don't give up on me. This is how it's supposed to be. It's just part of reality. What do you want me to do? So what if I still can't change the past?
But that class didn't last long. I think I still have probably like an hour left. Great first day. It's not actually the first day of school. It's my first day. I think school's probably started like a month now, probably. But who's keeping track of it anyway? That's all my classes I have for today. So that, I think I'm gonna chill a little bit. Oh, I have to go to my ophthalmologist and have some new glasses to get. Yeah.
So what if I still can't change the past? So what if I always finish last? So what if I keep on losing my mind?
Class is over for the day and I'm hungry. So you go to the place where you go to get chicken when you're when you're hungry, and that place is called a Coop. No wait, I think it's called Popeyes. So we're going to Popeyes. But I think she's gonna buy something from this one.
In my mind. So what if I'm always way out of line? No, don't give up on me. This is how it's supposed to be. It's just part of reality. What do you want me to do to get through?
So that concludes our vlog today. First day of school. Go me. Follow me on all the socials. Links are always in the description below. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. vlog. Ooh.